that for a minute. Political riot and irrational expression of feelings, that's such a cop-out. It's opportunism at its worst. It's a bunch of people grabbing any excuse they can find to go and loot stores. Nothing more.
Cloth piercing her throat. Need a lioness, nose covered in coke. Pride to it, need a chain hanging out choke. Pride to it, need a bass banging out joke. Jump game, that's 12 feet, no joke. Sahara Fields, that's my crown, no joke. My coat with me, them stab wounds, no joke. My pack with me, them field niggas, no joke. Eyes locked, my prey. It's follow the leader, you spreading your niggas get sprayed. I'm mind your chain. I'm mind your chain. What's up with your niggas? They eyeing me looking like they wanna get on some. Cloth piercing her throat. Need a lioness, nose covered in coke. Pride to it, need a chain hanging out choke. Pride to it, need a bass banging out joke. Cloth piercing her throat. Need a lioness, nose covered in coke. Pride to it, need a chain hanging out choke. Pride to it, need a bass banging out joke.